This is a quick guide to using PdfToXls. Click on the Open PDF file button and select your file. You can also double-click on any of the recently opened files to open a file. To open a specific page, enter the page number in the editor. You can also click on the previous and next buttons to open the pages. To change the viewing area, drag the zoom slider on the page toolbar. You can also hold down the control button and use a mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Holding down the shift button and scrolling the mouse wheel will scroll the page left or right. To define a table, first click on the top point of the table, then click on the bottom point. To set up the area again, click on the reset button and start over. To define the columns, click on the border of each column, working from left to right. As each column is defined, you will see a column number displayed at the top and also in the list of columns on the left panel. If any of the columns can contain empty cells, mark those columns on the left panel. The extracted data is displayed at the bottom by default. You can reposition this panel by dragging and dropping it to a new location. Drag the splitter on the left to hide the process steps to maximize the work area. Click on the Save to Excel button to create an Excel spreadsheet. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the data. You can easily extract data from other pages by using the page navigator on the page toolbar. The data is automatically extracted from each page that's opened. Click on the Auto Copy button to automatically copy new data to the clipboard as you open new pages. To apply an action, first click on the action you want to perform, then click on the cells you want to perform the action on. The Merge with Cell Above action merges the contents of the current cell with those of the cell above it and moves every cell upwards. The Move Cell Values Up and Down actions move cell values upwards and downwards respectively, starting from the selected cell. The Align Values with Left Column action aligns the cell values in the current column with those to the column on the left. If you want to align the values with the column on the right, use the Align Values with Right Column action. Everything you have seen up to now can be done using the free version. There is a paid version that simplifies some repetitive tasks. One is to be able to reuse the column definitions defined in the previous extraction process. The other is the option to easily reposition the table on a page to extract data from only the area of interest.